Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use PayPal but not sure where to start? I will show you everything from setting up your account to sending money and buying online step by step. Whether you are shopping online, sending money, or getting paid, we will cover sign up, linking a bank or card, sending and receiving payments, and safety tips. Let's get it started. First of all, open your browser like Chrome. Now search for paypal.com or download the PayPal app if available. Now click the sign up button from the upper right corner. Choose between a personal or business account. Choose personal unless you are a seller or freelancer. Personal means individual. Okay, then click next. Now select your country name like US. Then click get started. Now enter your email address. Then click next. Then follow the process. I have already an account, just I'm going to log in with my login credential. Just click login. You will see the you will see name field, email field, or password fields. Then fill in your name, email, and password, agree to terms, and create your account. Then click login. Then follow the process like confirm it's you, confirm verification with SMS or email verification. Check your email for a verification message from PayPal and click the link. Also enter your mobile number and verify it with the code sent via SMS. Now link your bank account, credit or debit card. Now you will see link a bank account section. Click on it and enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Your bank login information. This helps. This step lets you send or receive money and shop online using your balance or bank card. To send money, just go to pay and get paid option. Then click send payments. Now enter the recipient's email or phone number or name or username. Type the amount. Wait a minute. Now enter amount. Choose the currency from here. Then click next. Choose to send it as friends and family, free for personal use or goods and services buyer protection enabled. Confirm and send. To receive money, simply give the sender your PayPal email address. Once they send it, you will get a notification and the money will show up in your PayPal balance. To move money to your bank, go to Home and click the bank icon from here and follow the transfer process. Choose your linked bank and account amount, then confirm. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. To shop online using PayPal, choose PayPal at checkout. Like, go to Amazon or AliExpress. Choose a product from AliExpress dashboard like this slide. Click on it and add it to your cart. Or simply click Buy Now option if available or Shop Now option and choose PayPal from checkout. Then log into your PayPal account, select your payment method and click Pay. It's secure. The seller never sees your bank or card information. The PayPal app lets you send, receive money, track your transactions, get alerts. Click Buy Now. Get alerts. Add PayPal's security features like Face ID or two-factor authentication or CAPTCHA. It's super convenient for on-the-go payments. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Go to Profile Settings. Now click on two-factor verification, two-step verification, then click Updates. Enter your phone number or authenticator app and copy the code from here or scan from authenticator app the QR code. Always use goods and services if you're buying something. It includes buyer protection. Watch out for fake emails. Only send money to people you trust with friends and family. And that's how to use PayPal like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.